all the affirmation, all the money challenges, the daily repetitions, the visualization. You tried every single thing there is. All of it. You've watched those videos. You followed every instruction and you did it with full intent. You did exactly what they told you to do. And then you checked your bank account. Nothing changed. And in the meanwhile, you're scrolling through those comments where everybody says, oh, it works for me. Money showed up. Opportunities came flooding in. My problems just disappeared. For all of them, but not for you. You see those images where the luxury houses and cars are on, the freedom those people have, but your bank account shows absolutely nothing. You're the one that still is not getting what you want. And here is what no one told you. Here is what actually is happening. Most will tell you that you can earn money fast. You can get it drawn into you only by watching a video. But the reality is that it doesn't move money to you. There is no huge shift in wealth. There is no pretending you're rich and then you will get rich instantly, is there? There's no way of easy money. And if you're still here right now, you're not looking for motivation. You're looking for something that actually works for you. And this is not another repeat the sentences for 21 days video. You already did that. This is not about believing harder. It is not about pretending you're already rich. It's not about waiting for the universe to finally notice you. So what am I talking about then? Instead of using only words, this method combines words with a specific action, a structure that people used long before social media and even computers existed, long before manifestation became well known. For centuries, people are doing this and they still do it. So why? Well, that is super simple because it actually works. So I'm going to share with you what almost no one tells you. You know, across completely different cultures, money rituals always have three things in common. And those things are timing, a physical action, and a short but focused verbal component. Not endless talking to the universe, not endless affirming, a trigger, not a mantra. Think about it. People don't repeat the same behavior for centuries if it produces absolutely nothing. They keep what works and they drop what doesn't. So, if you want to attract money, if you want to change your life, if you really want to get freedom to travel, or well, just to pay your rent for this month, or to finally get some air, I will guide you to how you can change things. And I'm not making any promises, and I'm not going to ask you to believe something. I'm asking you to test it, to test one structure that almost nobody teaches anymore. Yes, it takes a little time. It takes a little effort, but nothing ever comes easy, does it? And it doesn't require faith. If nothing changes, you just move on. But if something shifts, you repeat and dive further in it. That's it. No mindset ceremonies, no empty promises, just a different way. So, if you're done repeating the same things all over again, please pay close attention to what comes next, because this is where the actual difference is made. We are going to do a combination of a ritual, affirmations, and timing. These are easy to do, and most likely you have all you need at your home. Strongest day for this is actually a Thursday, but you can use it any day. If you want to do this ritual with me, you need three things most people have at home. You will need one green candle. matches or a lighter, some salt, doesn't matter what kind of salt, and 1 coin. Make sure that you are in a safe environment that you can light a candle safely. This candle does not have to be a specific shade of green. Any green candle is fine. But if you don't have a green candle, you can also use a white candle. White works just as well. The coin, well, it can be any coin. It doesn't matter which currency or how much it's worth. What matters is that it represents real value and real money to you. For this ritual, I crafted special music, which allows the ritual to become more aligned in terms of energy. This helps to strengthen the ritual and it brings you more focus. So, let's start. When you have all these items in front of you, place the candle in the center, in front of you. Now place the coin in front of the candle, leaving a little space between them. Take the salt and gently place a small circle of sand around both the candle and the coin. You don't need much salt, just enough to mark the space. Okay, when you're ready, light the candle. As the flame burns, we're not asking for miracles. We are allowing movement. So we're going to strengthen this by affirmations. And please repeat after me. Money moves toward me in practical ways. Money moves toward me in practical ways. Money moves toward me in practical ways. I allow steady income to enter my life. I allow steady income to enter my life. I allow steady income to enter my life. The last one. What has been blocked begins to move again. What has been blocked begins to move again. What has been blocked begins to move again. Now, let the candle burn for a few minutes. You don't need to do anything during this time. There is nothing to focus on and nothing to visualize. When you're ready to end the ritual, do not blow the candle towards yourself. If you can, gently extinguish it with a spoon or something, or blow it away from you. The ritual does not need to be done every day. Once a month or so is enough. But if you are under a lot of financial pressure, you can repeat it twice a month or more, but it's not necessary for it to work. The strongest day to do this is actually on a Thursday, especially the first Thursday of the month. If you want it to be stronger, come back to this video and do it again in the same way with the same sounds. So maybe this ritual is not for you, but don't give up hope. There are more ways to attract money, to attract prosperity in your life. So subscribe to my channel so you will be notified when there are new ways. Thank you for watching.